Let me show you how to hard reset your iPhone 17. So if you want to clear all data from your phone, for example, if you're selling or returning, so again, you want basically like a brand new phone as it was when it left factory, we can simply go in the settings, then click general settings here, okay, all the way down till you see transfer or reset iPhone over here. So if you click this first option, it will only offer like to reset some individual settings. So, but again, this is probably not what you want. So you simply want to click over here, erase all content and settings over here. So you see it will wipe your photos, videos you have on this device. So again, it will remove everything, including your Apple account, also any locks or eSIMs as well. So click continue and then select basically either of the options. So again, if you are selling or returning, make sure to select delete eSIM. So your eSIM as well. By the way, if you delete this eSIM, that actually doesn't cancel it from your network operator. So also you will also need to contact your network operator if you want to cancel that plan or move to another phone as well. So yeah, basically just click that and job done. Good luck.